This is the first episode of Life Changing Junction podcast show. My name is Jasbir Grover and I'm your host for this show. Each week I would be bringing amazing personalities to share inspiring stories which will help you see life from different perspectives. This will also help you realizing your inner power lies within you and with a belief everything happens for a reason. You may resonate with some stories and get insights to move ahead in your life listening and learning from this show. I'm super excited to launch this podcast and I truly would like to thank you all joining me today. This truly means a lot to me and I hope you visit this junction every Friday and keep listening every episode of this show. In this first episode, I'm going to talk about what this podcast is about, how and why I started this podcast, what is my vision, and a brief introduction about my personal life. I would be grateful if you could subscribe and share this podcast with your network and family members so that it could reach to maximum people they too can find a direction listening from these stories. Do connect with me on Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram and I would love listening to your stories and interacting with you all. Let me begin what this podcast is about. As the name suggests, life-changing junction. Every individual has got 3 T's in their life which impact their life heavily. Teens, 20s and 30s. We encounter many changes physically, mentally, socially in our life and in our career while traveling these 3 junctions and we change with many turbulences. Our life take a different turn when we enter in class 11 and 12. School authorities decide what subject we are going to study. Parents look at the advices and what is happening around the world and they start telling you what you become and what you need to become. Every person you interact during any parties, get-togethers is more interested in knowing what you want to become in your life, wherein you have some different dreams, you see a different world. At times you struggle to tell them what you are aiming to do and many times you pick up a choice which you even don't like. This is a story with many of us having degrees and education not solving our purpose in our life. Many of our decisions are never being supported by the society, by the parents, by our family and friends, but we take the decisions. Many decisions turned out to be fatal, but yes, many decisions turned out to be life-changing in our career and in our life. So with these junctions, I would be bringing a deep insight, giving you a message. Every change, every hurdle, every obstacle you face in your life has got a bigger purpose to solve and to bring a different layer in your life which you could not see. I too have changed many junctions and perhaps the biggest junction I changed when I lost my father. I was 3 years old. That changed my world tremendously. My mom was not very educated, but she was not left with any other option instead of taking up a job and raising her 3 daughters. Having no family support in 80s and no crutch and daycare facilities, it was never an easy job for my mom, nor it was an easy journey for me. I was the youngest in my family and I could not understand why my mom started behaving differently, not smiling much. Today I realize what happened in her life because she too have changed a junction in her life, losing her husband, having no support. That too a responsibility of raising 3 daughters. But she did not give up. She told us from now onwards, Guru Sahib is the biggest power for us and from today onwards, see Guru Sahib as your father. To her, Guru Sahib was a biggest power. To me, I started connecting the dot as a child with Guru Gobind Singh Ji. I always saw Guru Gobind Singh Ji as my father and trust me, I truly believe that I am a blessed daughter of him. Because I am a blessed daughter of him, any battle I fought, I always had a presence of Ajit Veera in my life. Who is this Ajit Veera? Ajit Veera is the elder son of Guru Gobind Singh Ji who fought the biggest battle. If you haven't seen Char Sahibzade, I request you to go and see. That will give you a more power to look your life as a battlefield, but fighting it with a one slogan, Kabhi na chhado khe. Veera is a Punjabi word which means brother. We are 3 sisters and we don't have any brother. But every time I look at my life having no brother, I always connect with him the way he fought the battle. I always get more courage, more motivation, and trust me, I won every battle as a mother, as an individual, as a teacher, as a mentor of my student, and even as a wife of my lover turned husband. Yes, my dear friend, I got married to a different person from a different community. Though I am a Sadarni, he is a Hindu Punjabi. Our marriage was never being accepted by the society for many reasons, though my family accepted it wholeheartedly. But acceptance from my husband's family was never easy, and still we do not have a cordial relation with them. I am blessed to have two amazing people in my life, and my elder son is 22 years old, who played a role of a father, a son, and a brother in my life. How do you see this description where a mother is addressing her son as a father? Yes, my dear friend, when I was growing up and I came to a situation where I realized that now I would be becoming a mom, that was a life-changing junction for me. But I always prayed to Guru Sahib that please bless me with a son so that I would be able to live a life of a mom, looking a father in him and fighting like a brother I missed throughout my life. And trust me, I enjoy all these three flavors upbringing my elder son, who is 22 years old now. He is not even having a degree. He is simply a diploma and got his first job without having a degree, having so many supplies. He was never an academically brilliant student, but a brightest light, having a different perspective of life, but turned out to be the most difficult student to handle for the school authorities and teachers. I had to give up my job. Looking at his situations and the different junctions he was changing, I realized can be a fatal, and I gave up my job. Journey turned out to be very different because we invested in a venture thinking of bringing a different word for us, but that turned out to be fatal. We had huge losses in that business that we even sold our house to. Life took very different turn when we encountered everyday different challenges we were never prepared to deal with. But trust me, having the supreme power and additional family members supporting me, every battle turned out to be the biggest milestone we achieved, and we moved to the next level. I have a presence of another amazing angel who is the most powerful angel in our life, Jagraj Singh, my younger son. Bringing this podcast live, the whole credit goes to this boy who is in class 10. Helped me to craft this beautiful junction, starting from scratch, recording, doing the editing, bringing it live, doing the testing, while taking his online classes and dealing with many other issues health-wise. But we both decided that we would be coming out in this situation, telling others also to stay tuned with the powerful blessing of the energies of the gods, angels surrounding and here supporting you if you are able to connect with them. As I said, I have a different family. I have another brother in my life who is Hanumanji. My elder son is born on Tuesday. That's how I took a signal on every Raksha Bandhan after my son born. I visit and tie Rakhi to Hanumanji in the mandir also. This is how having a father like Guru Gobind Singh Ji, presence of Ajit Veera and Hanumanji made it a perfect combination to look life with a different perspective, and trust me, that turned out to be magical. Life brought many challenges every day as the sun rises, but that turned out to be magical for me, for my family, and for many of my students. When I say student, let me just give you a brief what do I do. I am a life coach and mentor, work with all topmost colleges of Delhi NCR and universities, working as a training and placement head, helping students to get their dream jobs. I have seen a very different world when I entered into this education sector, seeing people simply telling that you will get a package of this company and this brand will come to your life without even knowing that this is not meant for everyone. I realized different segment of students struggling in their life but having no support. The first segment of students is the topper, doing academically so good, more concerned about what teachers are thinking, dealing with the pressure to always be in the topper list, and that's how they remain satisfied being in the good books of the college authorities and with the teachers. And their parents also feel proud that they are doing very good, having huge marks to show on their progress report. I haven't seen all toppers doing extraordinary good in their life because they live life with a very different way. Then we have got a huge chunk of students. Those are the middle class students, mediocre students, average in their academics, always struggle to find out solution because they are always being told, do good, improve, improve. They are always being compared with the toppers. They are never the favorites of the teachers and they always live with a feeling of fear. When I went deep, I get to know being mediocres, they come from the middle class families, carrying a huge burden of parents' expectation and knowing they need to contribute in their family once they get settled. That puts more burden on their soldiers, and I every day used to see the fearful eyes of those students looking at me and asking me one question: which company will come and will I be able to get through? I have fought many battles with my students, standing against the system where management asked me to do many things simply for the heck of getting the brand. But I did what was best for the students, and I decided to have my students working with me so that they would become more confident and they would be truly equipped to live their life working with me. If you look at my career graph, you will never see me working for years and years for any organization. Yes, that was only because of I was going against the system, working for the student, fighting the wrong policies. That never shake my confidence because I could see my replica in them. I always saw that God took me to many battles in my life. That was the reason I stood by my students, looking at my bigger purpose. Nobody is standing with them, but I would stand with them. My all students are settled all across the globe in last 10 years in different parts of the countries, doing good, and they truly call me Mata. Working with them day and night, I used to travel with them, taking them in my car or maybe traveling with them in their cars just to know what is happening in their life and how they are dealing with day-to-day pressures. My house was always open for them. They could visit my house 24/7. My officially mobile phones were always given to the students. They used to access my email IDs. Every corporate knew that if they need to reach Jasbir Grover, first they need to approach the team members. They would be working and then only Jasbir Grover will come. That is how I gave a strong message to the society that mediocre students too have a role to play provided they are being guided and supported with the right tools of giving them the belief and confidence that they have something to offer. Trust me, all these students did magic and worked selflessly day and night for themselves, for their elders, for their juniors. Even after graduating from college, they were always available. This teaching of my life comes from my great guru, great mentor, Guru Ramdas Ji from Golden Temple. That was the biggest message I transform in my students' life, service from humanity, and the biggest mantra, what you give comes back to you. If you are doing something good, universe is taking care of everything. That turned out to be a magical. I crafted amazing stories, fighting against the system, bringing magic in the life of my all mediocre average students that turned out to be life-changing for each one of us. With this, in 2017, I decided to give up my job so that I could help masses working with the freedom. There I realized my students are moving to abroad and they are dreaming of a different world in their life. I added another vertical in my career, that is of Dream Overseas. I started teaching IELTS and helping students to reach to their dream destination for higher studies and immigration. Though I started with my student, but I came across with amazing people across the globe approaching me to get the highest band score so that they could qualify for the immigration process. I met people above 30 years having 8 or 10 years of experience but heard many silent battles they were going through and helped them to transform their life, not restricting myself only for IELTS. That's how they too turned out to be magical journey for me. I got to know many people living a different life, fighting silent battles, though they are grown up. As a parent, as a child, as a spouse, as an individual, as a professional. I would be bringing all such stories with you guys from all these verticals of life. How many of students crack their jobs, many of them get the IELTS band score. In addition to that, bringing amazing personalities so that you can get full excitement as we travel for any journey. We see many views, many weathers, many junctions, many long tunnels. You would see all flavors of every journey we encounter. With this, stay blessed, stay tuned, loads of love, tons of blessings.